Because Napier's bones are actually a multiplication table, I can use that for the inverse operation, which is division. And we can do simple divisions on here. For instance, if you're asked what is 72 divided by 9, we can grab the 9 rod, and I'm going to look along it for a 72, and I see that it goes in 8 times. 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. But we can use it for much longer division problems. Let's say 1,709,000 divided by 738. Well, in order to do that problem, I grab my 7, 3, and 8 rods to make 738. And I will use that to help me with the estimate and multiply steps here. So this 3-digit number out front, will it go into 170, the first 3 digits there? No. So we need to go into 1,709. And so I'm looking along the rows. I'm looking along the rows for a number that's equal to or close to 1,709. These are, there's place value going on. So a ones place, in the diagonal next over you have a tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So 4 times 738 would be in the 2000s, and that's too big. So as I continue looking along, I see that 2 times 738 is 1,476. So I'm going to write that in. 1,476 is 2 times 738. So the estimation and the multiplication have been done for me. I do have to go ahead and subtract. And we are left with 233. And then we need to bring down. So that next number is a 2. And then I simply repeat the process. I come over here, I look for the number that is closest to 2,332 without going over. I don't want this one because it's at least 2,800. In fact, it's 2,900. But here we have a smaller number that's in the 2000s. This one does have a carry in it. So when I do 9 plus 2, I'm going to get an 11, so I need to carry a 1 over here. So what that is going to give us is 2,214. I have the 4, the 11 leaves a 1 behind, carry the 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2, and then 2,000. So we will go ahead and do the subtraction there as well, and we get 118. And then we bring down the 0 and we do this again. I'm noticing actually that the 738 won't even go in twice. It's going to have to go in less than that. I'm noticing as well I didn't write the number 3, right? 3 times 738 is what gave us this last result. So again, coming over here, 1,476 is going to be too big. So 738 can only go into this number 1 time. 1 times 738 is 738. We once again subtract and bring down, and we will get 442 when we do the subtraction. We bring down an 8, and once again we come over here to figure out how many times 738 will go into that number. We're in the 4,000s. This is going to be too big because there will actually be a carry pushing it into the 5,000s. Coming over here to the 6. Let's see, we've got an 8 in the ones place. This gives us a 12. Carry, we will get a 4. This is in fact 4,428, and that was next to the 6. So 738 goes into 4,428 6 times evenly. So we have no remainder. And the answer is that 738 goes into 1,709,208 2,316 times.